Hello guys, my name is Akshima Agarwal. Today we are going to discuss some higher order functions which are used inside Python. So these are the three functions which are highly used inside Python because it reduces our effort of writing the code in loops. So these functions help in producing our desired output without writing much code. So these are the higher order functions. Now why they are called the higher order functions? Because they are taking function as a parameter. Because they are taking function as a parameter. Now let's see the working of each function inside the Python. So as first is map. Now map function suggests we are going to apply one function on each item present inside the list. Whereas the second function, that is filter. Filter reduces our items present inside the list according to the given condition. Whereas the last one, that is reduce. Reduce helps in reducing the values which are present inside the list according to the desired output. Now let's see the working inside the Python by writing some lines of code. Now let's first of all I'm going to create a list. So let's create a list of names of fruits, right? Apple, mango, grapes. Now, what I want to find the length of all the items that are present inside the list. Okay, now let me create one function. Let's pass the parameter a to give us return length of a. So without using the loop, we are going to apply this function on all the elements present inside the list. Now let's take one variable x. Use the map function and pass first of all the function name, comma, the list. So we are passing the function as a parameter. Now what we want, the result in the form of list only. Now let's write down a list here. Let's print x. Okay, now let's see the output. See, we are getting the result in the form of list and the length of each item present inside the list. Now next is filter. Now what filter does, it reduces the number of rows according to the given condition. Now let's make one more list. Some numbers. 23, 4, 45, 56, 67, 78. Okay. Now I want a function which gives us the value that which provides the value which the numbers which are greater than 50. Okay. Now let's pass the parameter. Okay, return a greater than 50. Right. The same method I'm going to use the filter function name of 1 comma L1. Now what we want our answer in list. So let's write list over here. print x1 and see the result. See, we are getting a list which consists of all the numbers which are greater than 50. Now, let's see the use of reduce function. We are not able to use the reduce function directly because it is present in a particular library. First of all, we need to import that library. Okay. Similarly, you can import the reduce function from the library. Let's now not import the whole library. I'm just going to import the reduce function from the library. Library name is from functions import reduce. Okay. Now I want the sum of all the elements which are present inside the list. So we already have a list which consists of the numbers, but I want the sum. So let's create one function, def sum to pass two parameters because we want to add the elements. So return x plus y. In similar manner, take one variable. Now, what we want to reduce. So the function name func2 comma the list is L1, right? So print x3. Okay, so this is the code. Now I want to run it to see the output. See, so this is the output. The sum is 303. So I hope you are able to understand the usage of these three higher order functions. If you find this video useful, then kindly like and subscribe my channel. So thank you.